Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Scarpa Kids Climbing shoes, the Piki and the Reflex V Junior. Okay, so these are Scarpa's kids climbing shoes. They're quite different designs. This one is for the beginners, the Piki, and the Reflex V is for a more intermediate to advanced child climber. The rubber on both of the soles is the same. It's Scarpa's own proprietary rubber, which is called Vision. But other than that, the designs are quite different. So let's have a look at the Piki first of all. So this is the beginner level shoe. It's got a flat last, so it's not going to contort your children's feet into any weird shapes. And it's got a nice round toe box. Scarpa have also designed it so it covers two size ranges. So this is a 29-30 shoe. So the idea is you buy in at 29 and then you've got a bit of growth room as well. So you get a reasonable amount of use out of them. In terms of sizing, they come up really quite well compared to normal shoes, which is unusual for climbing shoes. So I would recommend buying in, if you know your EU size, that's best. Buy in at the lower of the EU sizes and you should be about right for sizing. If they come up a bit large to start with, just wear a pair of socks and your child's feet will soon grow into them. So let's just have a look at the opening. It's nice and wide, great for young children if they need a bit of help from the parents as well. Nice wide Velcro opening, and then they've got a neoprene inner tongue here, which folds right over. So if you're wearing them with bare feet, it prevents any sort of scratching from the edge of the Velcro, which is a nice touch. And the sole of the shoe here is quite nice and soft again against the foot. It hasn't got edges as a climbing shoe. It's rounded, which is good for young children because, let's face it, they're going to be running around at the bottom of the climbing wall as much as they're actually climbing. So it's kind of safer for young children. They're not going to trip up so much. But it's still a really nice textured climbing shoe, so children get the idea of really using their feet on the wall. The yellow band at the back here just adds a bit of tension and keeps the foot forward in the shoe, again to keep more of the pressure when they're climbing through the toes. Okay, so if your child's a bit more advanced, let's look at this one. This is the Reflex V. It's a much more advanced design of shoe. It's got proper edging around the toe box, and it's got two Velcro straps with a slipper style opening. I'll just show you. So you can open that right up when you put it on, and then grab the tab here, grab the two tabs at the back, and it stretches right forward so you can slide your foot in. This is made from a synthetic mesh, so you can also chuck it in the washing machine, which is quite handy because they will start to stink after a while of use in a hot climbing wall. So again, a nice touch here. If you can see, they've got the white fabric on the bottom of the sole, on the inside of the sole rather. And what Scarpa have done is that goes right around the sole and then it rolls around the big toe area here, so it comes up around here. So it means that your child's big toe isn't going to sort of get caught on the edge of the shoe when they're really using their toes. It just gives them a bit more comfort, a bit more protection there. So nice shoes, well designed. Definitely more for an intermediate climber, and the sizing is much more precise with these, so then they don't cover two EU sizes. So for example, this is an EU 34. Again, I would buy in at the right size for your child. Maybe buy in a size larger to give yourself a little bit of growth room there, but the sizing doesn't come up too small, so that's good. So there we go. Both synthetic uppers, I should have said. Yeah, this looks like suede, but it's actually a microfiber fabric there. So yeah, both really lovely shoes for different sort of time periods in your child's climbing career, if you like. But yeah, loads of opportunity to get a lot of use out of them for all age ranges. So I hope you found this video useful. If you've enjoyed it, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more of similar videos with tips and tricks for kids outdoor gear, please subscribe to our channel. Many thanks.